Hey guys, this is Josh here at Iron Shop Provisions. Today I'm showing off the fit difference between a Wilks and a vintage pair of 501s.
Alright, so I'm going to show off a pair of Wilks. This is a size 31. This is the Kahara. They call this the Western fit. But I've got a pair of 1980s, mid-80s you say, Dave? Probably mid-80s. Levi's, selvage, vintage. Beautiful repair work, done in Japan. David, were you living in Japan, or you were visiting when you bought these?
Visiting.
Yeah. But when I have two hands, you can see the waist almost lines up perfect. The rise is spot on. And again, we don't know the size of these 1980 501s, but the thigh measurement, all the measurements are spot on. Again, I'm one-handed right now. We did a little hemming, chain stitch for our friend David here. I'm not sure if that looks like it might have been a pink ticker. But just a beautiful pair of Levi's, vintage, soft. Probably feel like a 9 or 10 ounce now that they're worn down. They might have started at a 12 or so. Great repair work. Crotch blowout, he said it was totally blown out when he had them repaired. So it's got a good little story behind it already. But the beauty of having things worth repairing. Check it out, guys. Y'all have any questions, hit us up.